There are a lot of words for cannabis, but how much do we know about how it affects the body? I'm Ruth Ross, a pharmacology researcher at the University of Toronto. For more than 25 years, I've been studying the endocannabinoid system. That's the network of brain cell receptors that helps the nervous system to function. My lab works to develop new drugs to fix things that have gone wrong and caused illnesses such as schizophrenia and fatty liver disease. Cannabis alters our endocannabinoid receptors. But here's the dilemma. The brain is highly complex, and interfering with the endocannabinoid system can have negative consequences. Tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, is the compound in cannabis that gives you a high, but it can also be responsible for side effects like paranoia, excessive vomiting, and hallucinations. But it's also been shown to help relieve pain and nausea. Cannabidiol, or CBD, may counteract some of THC's negative effects. This compound doesn't cause a high and can help reduce seizures. Researchers are also exploring whether it may have antipsychotic or anti-cancer properties, but there's no strong clinical evidence for this yet. So, what does this mean for the medical potential of cannabis? Cannabis is already used to treat conditions like pain in multiple sclerosis or to help manage nausea during cancer treatment. But although it's got potential, cannabis is not an ideal drug. It's hard to know how much of each compound is in the various strains of the plant, and what dose and what combination to use for different illnesses. That makes it tough to predict what effects cannabis will have in each person. The endocannabinoid system is complex, and earlier attempts to turn the receptors off and on have created serious problems. So, instead of treating them like on and off switches, my lab works to develop synthetic compounds to fine-tune the network. The outlook is promising, particularly for managing pain and psychosis. If we can find a way to balance the system, we'll be able to reduce the symptoms without creating others.